Baby boy, come over here. Show me you're different. You claim you ain't like that man, but show me, don't destroy me. I'm already done.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Naomiindio here, aka Mary, and today's video that I'm going to be filming for you guys is 10 YouTuber apps that every YouTuber should have. If you're a YouTuber, if you're a beginner, if you're not a beginner, you should literally have these apps, all 10 of them. It helps you grow your channel, it helps you organize your channel, makes your channel look more professional. It just helps you do a lot with your channel. I'm going to be giving you guys those 10 apps that I feel like you guys should have, and let's get right into this video. The first app that I feel like all you amazing content creators should have is vidIQ. I feel like vidIQ really helps a lot. It helps you optimize your videos, it helps you choose what keywords is. I got the description for you. vidIQ is a SaaS product designed to help YouTube creators find topic keywords for their videos. The tool also has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that assists with creating SEO friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. That is vidIQ. It has all different types of versions. If you want to do the free version, they have a free version. If you want to do the $9.99 plan, if you want to do the and I feel like vidIQ works best when you're on a computer. You should try like the $10 one, because I feel like when you pay for vidIQ, it's just better to use. Second YouTuber app that I think you guys should have is TubeBuddy. The TubeBuddy is kind of just like vidIQ, but I heard that TubeBuddy is actually better than vidIQ. I'm not sure, but that's just off the videos that I watched. I heard that when people was doing the TubeBuddy versus vidIQ version, they were saying TubeBuddy was better. But I'm gonna do a video about that, because I just bought the vidIQ thing for $78, and then I'm also, after I just bought that last month, so I'm about a TubeBuddy version, and then I'm gonna tell y'all which one is actually better. And TubeBuddy is basically a keyword app. It's the same as vidIQ, but it's better, I guess. It's a keyword app. You find titles, YouTube SEO, is how to rank and search, and then it has this I don't know, y'all just gotta try out the app. $9 a month or something like that if you want the cheap version, and if you want to pay for an expensive version, I think it just keeps going up from the $9 and stuff like that. And the third app that I feel like every YouTuber should have is YouTube Studio. Most of you guys probably already have this, but some people probably don't. But YouTube Studio is basically, it keeps you up to date on your channel. It keeps you up to date on how many likes you got on your new video, how many views you got on it, how much watch time you got, your revenue. It shows your analytics, it shows your subscriber change. It shows so much on YouTube Studio, and you should just have that downloaded, because it just shows you, it just keeps you updated on how your channel is growing and how it's going. The fourth YouTube app that I have for you guys is YT Tracker. And YT Tracker is this app where basically, if you're not monetized yet, it shows you how many subscribers you have and how many watch hours you have, and how far you're away from hitting the monetization goal that you want to have. If you're not monetized yet, if you want to be monetized though. To get monetized on YouTube, you have to have 4,000 watch hours, and you have to have 1,000 subscribers. So this is the app that just helps you know if you're getting close to your goal. Fifth YouTuber app that I have for you guys is Social Blade, and it's not just for YouTube, it's for YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, any type of social media app that you have. And I'm about to read out the description. Social Blade is a website that tracks social media statistics and analytics. Social Blade, most notable, tracks the YouTube platform, but also has analytics for information regarding Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Mixer, Dailymotion, DLive, and TikTok. Okay, so the sixth app that I feel like all YouTubers should have, everybody should clearly have, editing apps. So I feel like the best editing apps I feel like is iMovie or Final Cut Pro, because I heard a lot of people use Final Cut Pro, but I never used it or never downloaded it before. But I use iMovie, and I feel like iMovie is just the easiest app to edit with. It's just, I don't know, it's just so easy for me to edit it with, and I hate learning stuff, and it was so easy for me to learn on iMovie, and it was just so much easier for me to do on iMovie. But I don't know, I could low-key, I feel like if I get an iMac, I might try to download Final Cut Pro and iMovie and see which one is better out of them, and see if I want to edit on Final Cut Pro, because I be seeing a lot of YouTubers edit on Final Cut Pro. But I don't know, I'm obsessed with iMovie. I've used iMovie for so long, because I've been on YouTube for a long time. I got so many different channels. The seventh YouTuber apps that I feel like you guys should have is Phonote and Vont. Phono is an app where I edit my thumbnails, where I edit my banner. Phono, you can edit anything on there. Phono and Vont is the same thing, but Vont is the video version of Phono. Phono is just for pictures, and then Vont is just for videos. So you can. For the eighth YouTuber apps that I feel like you guys should have is social medias. You should have Instagram, you should have Reddit, you should have Twitter, you should have TikTok, you should have Pinterest, you should have all the apps that you can promote your videos on. So you need social media apps to promote your videos. So download all those social media apps and just promote your videos. For the 9th YouTuber apps that I have for you guys, it is a planner app. You can download a planner app if you want to plan out your YouTube videos on it. But I just use my notes, so you can also download notes if you don't have notes downloaded on your phone. You can plan out what type of like YouTube videos you're going to make next, or what type of videos you're about to come up with. If you have a video idea that just pops in your mind, you could just write it down in your notes. And then for my 10th app that I have for you guys, it is a Gmail. So basically Gmail just helps you, after you hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm pretty sure like a lot of people are going to be wanting you like to promote their products and stuff like that. So you should have a Gmail. Don't let the Gmail be the same as your Gmail that you sign in with, because then people can like hack you. I feel like so I feel like you should make a whole new Gmail, and then put the Gmail inside your description, and put your email inside the description, because it helps people that want to collaborate with you, or if somebody wants you to promote their product, it just helps them be able to reach out to you. So I feel like everybody should have their Gmail app so that they can easily just, the email just comes right to your phone, like literally, like it's that easy. I feel like these apps will really help you guys out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to always choose happy, be positive, be nice, be the change that the world needs, and love yourself. Everything happens for a reason. And bye.
Lies, I'm so broken. Tears, I'm so broken. They say I'm fine. They say I'll get over it.
What? Come here.
Smoking? Yeah, smoking. I don't get what you mean.
Hurry up.
What?
Why is Rajane
No,
laughing?
because this funny thing on my phone.
No, it's a prank.
Hurry up. The toilet is smoking.
I'm fucking tired. I'm about to pee. That's what I'm
No,
gonna
it
do.
was really something funny on my phone. You remember that thing I showed you?
Man, Rajane can't even keep a straight fucking face. I gotta pee, man. I can't do this shit, y'all.
You was?
Now the video ruined.
Oh, you got the camera on.
I'm vlogging. I sleep in the house for the first 1,000 times.
I don't even know how to get to the dock.
I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, I ain't got time to crash because you tell me a pathway that's have a lot of people. Who did that? Okay, you know I'm done. I don't want to go no more.
What happened?
And why you take my scarf? Ain't that the scarf Mimi just gave me, Mary?
No, I needed these.
For what? To play with him? I'm done. I ain't going no more. I swear to God.
Okay.
I'm fucking done.
It was a video.
No, I'm fucking done.
It's a video.
Mommy,
Oh
it's a
my
prank.
gosh,
You
it's a
can't
video.
get
Right, she
Oh
can't
my
everything.
God.
I'm tired of the bullshit.
She can't act like a prank. Like, come on now.
Fuck, anybody in the mood for a prank?
How y'all want to be YouTube famous? Can't even take a prank.
Right, can't even take a prank.
Corona
Like,
out here, prank me in the fucking house. Don't prank me in this fucking car. In the fucking mood to play with you.
so
Knocking off my head. Give me that fucking scarf. Why you take my scarf Mimi gave me? What is
I
you
want
doing
to
with
hit you with them
She
Yeah.
wants to do
for a
that.
prank.
You so corny. How is that a prank? That's a prank. That's a
That
prank.
would murder my eyes, you
Yeah, put it on the
crackhead.
tick on the camera.
Move.
It's a prank.
Can you move? Mommy, I'm trying to put my hair in the
It's
bottle.
a prank.
Oh
Can't
my
take a
gosh.
prank.
Oh, let's go.
Can't take a prank.
Mommy, can you stop now?
You can't
It's
take a
over.
prank.
It's over.
Type of dumbass fucking thing. Prank is that? What is it?
Ryan wants me to play flip cup, which I've never done in my entire life and really don't want to do for the first time around a bunch of strangers.
I feel like that Heather wants to be here at the party, but she really wants to be anywhere else in the entire universe.
I am dominating this game.
ever intimidated by this party because the only person giving me a run for my money is my man.
Let's go. She just needed to allow herself to have a good time. Oh boy. It's hard to force a conversation with a girl before. I mean, what's the problem? Do I smell?
It doesn't look like Ryan is getting too bad with Heather.
Let's go, guys.
I'm using the bathroom first.
Ouch, the hair blew my toe. Ooh, ouch. Oh, snap, it's going again. Wow, he disrespectful. Y'all saw him just float the door on me? Ooh, the disrespect. Come on, woman, you got the key, bro. Oh my God. It just busted open, y'all. All down me.